answer is letter A, sense of touch. Wait lang, kids, ha? Wait lang talaga for the clincher round. Erase your previous answer. What do we call, Hesham and Eliana, what do we call the homes of animals? What do we call the homes of animals? A, building. B, habitat. C, house. A, building. B, habitat. C, house. Your 15 seconds starts now. Please make your answer clearer. Time is up. Raise your board. Okay, we have here letter. This is letter A, Sally, and letter B, Acaso. The correct answer is letter. These are your answers, parents. The correct answer is letter. Ayan, A, B. The correct answer is letter B, habitat. Our first laser for Frisbee pre-kindergarten category is Aliana Jan Acaso. Very good. Please come forward. Our second laser is Hesham Salih. And our third laser is Ava Daniela Rasay. Please come forward. Teacher.